programming language should you learn? With rigorous updates in the tech market, a candidate should be up to date with new languages. Though other factors play a significant role in the decision of what programming languages to learn. Firstly, one needs to understand their goals and what career one wants to pursue after learning the programming language. Next, conduct thorough market research and narrow down the field you want to enter. After that, you need to understand the industry demand and the job portfolio of the desired profession. Learn the skills and languages that are demanded in the chosen field. You might want to start one of the easiest programming languages and gradually elevate your difficulty level. Python and Ruby are great languages to begin with. Look for simply available material where you can learn quickly. Join communities and network with people at the top level of the field. Lastly, keep reinventing and learning as the market is constantly changing.
Dear friend, if you like this video, kindly make sure to subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon so that you stay informed about all our upcoming latest videos. Keep watching Protech Computer Education. Thank you.